Hey guys, welcome to week 13. Do you know what the best part of week 13 is? Is that we do not have school on Wednesday. It is Veterans Day. So hopefully you guys remember what Veterans Day was, because that was the subject of last week's assignments. Also, this week we will have a Friday the 13th. So we have the 13th week for us and the Friday the 13th. Coincidence? Anyway, before we get started, I want to just review real quickly last week's objectives to make sure that you understood what you were supposed to learn. And if you have any questions, you can get back to me and let me know. But we had vocabulary last week, although we weren't testing on it. You did have vocabulary, and it was all in what we were doing in the assignments. So if you want, you can take a minute and you can look at this and make sure you understand all of these things, because we did all of these things in our assignments. Our essential question was, does using different font size, color make a file easier to read and understand? That is basically the question this week. Hopefully you can answer the question yes, because I showed you what was the difference between just a whole bunch of regular font, simple font, and then once we were done with it. So we're going to keep doing it, because remember, whenever your eye stops, your eye will then tell your brain that it's something that you should know, and your eye will stop with color, size, font, anything that changes to make it a little bit different. All right, learning objectives, you would understand the home ribbon, and you will understand how to use the editing tools. And I think that pretty much most of you guys did pretty well. The one tip that I would give you guys is that there were like 12 steps on assignment 1, and you guys only went, some of you guys only went maybe to 10 steps. You didn't finish it out. You needed to finish it out. So make sure that you pay attention to the details, because that's what's going to make you successful in everything and anything. And just an FYI, the biggest words that people misspelled was niece and yacht and ought. And I'm glad that I just brought that to your attention, so that the next time it comes up when you're writing, that you can use it. All right, so let's get on to this week. So we're in week 13. It is set up the exact same way as it always is. So you're going to go to the before you begin. This is where you're finding this video. And then you have this week's checklist. Reminder, you do not have to submit the checklist to me. This is for your use only, so that you can make sure that you're getting done what you're supposed to be getting done. And so this is solely for you. This is not for me. Please do not send me a screenshot of this completed. So we have week 13, the video. We're on Monday at 11. We will be doing this whole presentation live. And then, since we have no school on Wednesday this week, we're going to do it on Tuesday at 11 o'clock. We will do another live face-to-face, so that we can work on, we'll either do a Kahoot or a game, or we'll go over some cool technology, just so that we can get together and I get to see you and know you. I'm doing it also on Tuesday, because that will be a good time if you have any questions about the assignments, that you can ask them, and you still have all week to get them done. As I told you, the question of the week pretty much stayed the same, and that's how does color make understanding text easier? We're going to be working on color and font and size, because hopefully at this point you know that if your eye stops, your brain knows that it's something that it should pay attention to. Your objectives will be be able to edit text using the home ribbon, and we're also going to use the insert ribbon a little bit. You're going to create an understandable text. So you're actually going to create it. You will follow along with me on one, but on the second one, you have to create text that's understandable. And you'll use the edit tools to do that. And then this week's vocabulary is all about the word icons. So assignment 1 is you are going to open up the assignment. You are going to copy and paste paragraphs about the National Holocaust Week, and then you will follow the video to make sure that you can make it more easily read and understandable. If you're following along with my naming concept, it's Q2 assignment 9, and you will put it in OneDrive, and pretty soon you guys will be taking a screenshot of OneDrive and showing me that you had put all of your work up there so that we can work on your organization. In assignment 2, you are going to take everything that you did in assignment 1. You are going to go and find text, and you are going to create an article that's going to be easy to read using what I showed you about a topic. So just real quickly, just so that I can explain this, because I do not do a step-by-step video. I do an overview video. It's right here. But basically, you are going to, if you go here, you are going to create a title and a subtitle in different colors and fonts and sizes. You're going to change the spacing of text. You're going to use an indent. You're going to have 2 paragraphs in the first part. Then you're going to do it again. You're going to have a title and a subtitle in different sizes, colors, and fonts. You'll have 2 more paragraphs, and then you'll also be adding a picture and a link. This all will be about one of these 3 topics. So you can look up information about daylight savings, a country in Africa, or the Summer Olympics. You can go to Wikipedia and just copy and paste the text. So then the last thing that we have this week is we're actually doing vocabulary. And the vocabulary this week is, like I said, icons. So they are pictures. So the one thing I do want you to know is that there is only one place to practice the vocabulary this week. Usually I give you a game of some kind, but there's only one place. So if you click on it and you click on the list of terms, you'll see all of the icons that are on the home and insert ribbon in Word and what they mean, and that's what your quiz will be on. And your quiz is basically a matching quiz where you're going to drag and drop the correct answer. All right, so that is week 13 in a nutshell. If you have any questions, suggestions, problems, please message me and let me know. And we will, and I will see you guys on Monday and Tuesday at 11, and enjoy your day off, because we all need to have some fun in our lives.